Namaskar, welcome to PP Learning Academy. I am Vision Kumar, and in this video, we are going to talk about a very interesting topic, Afghanistan building a dams on the Kunal River. Afghanistan has openly announced this decision, just like India, decided to not to let its river flow freely into Pakistan anymore. A major shift after the Indus Water Treaty. Afghanistan has now adopted a similar policy. They want to limit the free flow of water going from Afghanistan to Pakistan. You can understand the reason. Recently, Pakistan carried out bombing inside Afghanistan, which has caused immense anger among Afghani citizens. Unlike India, which has a strong military to respond to Pakistan, many people in Afghanistan feel helpless. Pakistan Air Force attacks Afghans villages, killing innocent people, and they cannot do much in return. Afghanistan does not have an air force or modern air defense system, yet their spirit remains unbroken. Now, Afghanistan government, led by the Taliban, has announced they will build dams on Kunal River, which flows from Afghanistan into Pakistan. This river actually originates in Pakistan, flows into Afghanistan, and then returns to Pakistan eventually, supplying water and even to Islamabad. Afghanistan now plans to stop this free flow by building multiple dams. Their Water and Energy Ministry tweeted that Afghans have the right to manage their own water resources. The Taliban leader Amir ul Munin has ordered immediate construction of these dams, even without waiting for foreign companies. They want to start as soon as possible. Of course, this move is risky. If Afghanistan builds a dam, Pakistan might try to destroy it using airstrikes or missiles, which could be a gross violation of human rights and could trigger a massive flooding. Such an act could be set a dangerous precedent because then India might also justify attacking Pakistani dams in retaliation. This situation is similar to a scene from a Rambo 3 1988, where a Mujahideen fighter tells Rambo that Alexander the Great once said, "May God protect from three things: the venom of cobra, the attack of a tiger, and the revenge of the Afghans." Whether Alexander actually said this is uncertain, but it reflects Afghanistan's fearless spirit. They do not give up easily. So yes, Afghanistan plan is brave but not entirely logically. Building a dam is extremely difficult without a strong technical support or security, and Pakistan having air superiority will never let it stand quietly. If India gets involved in this dam project, Pakistan will likely push propaganda that India and the Taliban are working together to cut Pakistan water supply. Pakistan media and ISPR Inter-Services Public Relation already runs such a fake narratives against India. Therefore, India involvement in this matter will require a careful diplomatic and strategic consideration. So that the end of today's video. Thank you for listening, and as I always say, may God watch be over you all.